Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to explain the new Leetcode question, that is the Pascal's triangle. So let's read the question first. That is given an integer nums row, okay, and written the first nums row of Pascal's triangle, okay, and in the Pascal's triangle, each number is the sum of the two number directly uh, above it is it as shown, okay, and what are the inputs? So nums row equals to 5, and there are the 5 rows given in the output. So हमको इस एग्जांपल में जस्ट वी हैव टू if if हमको इनपुट कुछ भी दिया हो, मींस इफ द इनपुट इज 2, so उसका पास्कल ट्रायंगल कैसे बनाएंगे, एंड व्हाट इज अ पास्कल ट्रायंगल, वी विल डिस्कस ऑल द पास्कल ट्रायंगल इन दिस एग्जांपल. So let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so let's discuss what is a Pascal's triangle. So first, it is the addition of two numbers, that is here 1, this is addition, okay, here will be the 3 when, because 3 is the addition of a 2 plus 1, same for both, and after that 1 4 3 plus 1 4, okay. Now 3 plus 3 6, and here also 4 3 plus 3, and here 1, okay. So this is a Pascal triangle. When we are discussing about the approaches, how can we solve this problem? So there is a one formula, that is CPR, one NCR, that is we are denoting as C, R and R minus 1 and C minus 1. This is a formula for finding NCRs, and if we are using this approach, then we have to find out all means सब एलिमेंट्स एंड सब इंडेक्सेस की अलग अलग एनसीआर्स निकालने होंगे, एंड इसको करने के लिए हमको टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी लगेंगी, दैट विल बी बिग ऑफ एन स्क्वायर, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ इटरेशंस होंगे, एंड दैट इज नॉट गुड. फॉर एग्जांपल, so we will just move to the next approach. What will be the next approach of ours? That is, हम NCR लगाएंगे. This will be the formula of NCR, R minus 1, same formula, and this will be used for an column. So when we will use if we are using this approach, then we have to remember the thing, that is the time complexity will be big of n. It's a good complexity, but the thing is, if we are doing this problem, then we have to means if we are going through this approach, then we have to remember the thing is, if we are using means for the every NCR to, means if we are finding every NCR of every row, means every column, then we have to find out the means we have to iterate, then we are using a for loop here, and then afterward just we will use n minus 1, means n minus I, and the second will be the rest. This will be the 2D vector we are using in this example in this approach, and n I plus 1. This is a approach. This is a second approach. But the thing is, we are not going through this approach. We are going through the next approach. That is कि हम what we will do, that is उसकी भी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बिग ऑफ n होगी जो हम यूज करेंगे उस फॉर्मूले में. एंड आफ्टर दिस मीन्स हाँ, this will be the third approach. How can we solve this problem? So let's come on the topic. Okay, if means हम यहाँ पे डायनामिक अप्रोच यूज करेंगे. डायनामिक मीन्स इफ वी आर यूजिंग हियर फर्स्ट 2D vector that will help us to store and second thing कि हम दिस इज अबाउट द 2D vector and second thing हम इटरेट करेंगे थ्रू द लूप. मीन्स हम फॉर लूप लगाएंगे and in this for loop we are going to denote or we are going to name that is कि in the Pascal's triangle we know the first element that is the 1 and the last element that is the 1. Means first element in every row. Just to check out, for sure the first element in every row and the last element in the every row is 1. So we will give the condition here कि if R is a 2D vector and if we are this, then R equals to I equals to 1. This will be our condition. So and the third will be the condition. Just first we will dry run the code and I will explain what would be the third step. So let's come on the code. So as I said, we will use here 2D vector. That is, this is the 2D vector we had used here. And next, as I said, कि हम यहाँ पे resize भी करेंगे. Resize after using a for loop, means after iteration. And हमने तो देखा ही है कि as I mentioned in the open board, we will means in the Pascal's triangle the first element and the last element will be the 1 in every row. So this is a condition of that. This is a condition of that, and this the second loop, the second for loop says that these are the remaining elements in every row. So henceforth कि हम जब भी input देंगे, that will be n equals to 2, then it will create 1, 1 and 1. If we are giving the input n equals to 3, then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So this will be our answer. So thank you guys for supporting me, and do share and subscribe my channel.